I'm Brother Really Francisco. My ministry is Mighty Men in Uniform and also a member of Missions Committee.
Ako naman po si Sister Niva Francisco. Go Group leader po ako, CS po ng North at member din po ng Missions Committee. 40 years na po kaming kasal and 4 po yung anak namin. Sa COP po kami ng church since 1982.
Ang pangalan po noon dati is Bethel.
So yung journey po namin talaga is kagaya ng how Bethel Temple became Cathedral of Praise. When we came here, rank and file employees lang po kami.
I'm an enlisted personnel of Philippine Marines. Then nag-retire ako sa colonel.
Ako po, I was born to a Christian family. Yung husband ko naman po ay na-save during one of the outreaches sa kampo nila when he was with the Marine.
Actually, parang taga-COP rin yung pumunta dun sa amin.
During our early marriage, wala po akong doubt, hesitation in the offering and tithes. Siya, medyo may doubt po siya.
Talaga po, kasi minsan may mga hesitation ako sa sarili ko.
Sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, nabibless tayo ng Panginoon, paano kaya kung dalawa na talaga tayo ang magiging fully committed sa giving natin? And finally, nung talagang nag-commit na kaming dalawa, doon na talaga kami na super blessed ng Panginoon. Nung nag-asawa po kami, we rented in a very small house ang talaga. Isang ikot mo lang, ando na yung kitchen, ando na yung dining. From small rented house, palagi kaming lumilipat to another rented house na mas maganda, mas malaki na. So God has blessed us in that way. Pero nangarap din po talaga kami na magkaroon kami ng sariling bahay. And finally, nagkaroon na rin kami ng sariling bahay na low cost lang siya sa may Novaliches. Yung mga other houses namin ay
nasa Commonwealth Heights, may 2 bahay kami doon.
We are now in a house which has 438 square meter at 5 bedrooms.
Then sa Angeles, mayroon kaming 3 bahay din. Then sa Davao, mayroon kaming 1 bahay. Mayroon kaming 1 condo unit sa Eastwood. Tsaka ito, pang shop. Tsaka yung kubo na yun.
Sabi ko nga, hindi namin to ma-attribute sa abilidad namin. God has really blessed us.
At saka yung sinabi ni Pastor na inheritance to children's children, nainggan nyo kami na talaga magpan ng property para sa aming mga anak at saka mga apo.
Kaya itong lot na to, tinaniman lang namin ng mahogany trees. So about 5,000 trees ang nandito. So that will be for our children kung hindi na namin maabutan. Kasi sa lahat ng mga building projects na COP has undergone, talagang nag-participate kami sa his house, sa remains, dahil alam namin na ito ay para sa next generation. At saka alam namin na may reward talaga ang Panginoon para sa amin. So, nung nag-pandemic, talagang nag-worry kami kasi nga, 2 ang business namin. So, ang garments namin is catering to schools. So, sarado ang schools. Tapos, ang salon is sarado din. But God in Isaiah said that He will make streams in the desert and rivers in the wasteland. So, nung pandemic, dun talaga nag-boom yung aming garments business. We were able to have a contract with a company. Kami ang mag-supply ng uniforms nila nationally at ilang libo yon na mga employees nila. And nag-open sila ng another factory in the province at kami din po ang pinasupply ng mga uniforms ng planta nila. Nakapag-provide work sa mga employees namin at saka nakapag-support din kami sa mga staff namin sa salon. And ang mga customers na nabibigay sa amin ay mga customers talaga na wala kaming problem with the collection. Kasi regular din ang collection namin sa mga customers namin. Yung isang anak ko din na nag-participate din sa Remain project, talagang na-bless din siya. He was able to buy a property kung saan nandun yung building nila ngayon. Hindi lang kasi sa finances ang nakuha naming reward sa pag-join namin sa Remain. Pati na yung anak ko na may special needs na nagkasakit siya during pandemic. Ang sabi ng mga doctors na it's time for him to go. But sabi ko, my God can defy science. He is the God of creation, kaya He can create something new in His heart or in His house. Ngayon, better na talaga siya at nakakapagsimba na rin. No-offer din namin to place for any activity ng MNU.
Isa sa mga activities na ginawa ng MNU ay yung mass wedding ng mga Philippine National Police.
So this place is really offered to God kasi hindi naman talaga to sa amin. Stewards lang naman talaga kami. At ito na rin talaga yung desire ko na ma-renovate yung bahay na binili namin, no? Mga simple desires of having a nice kitchen for my husband and dining and yung facade ng bahay namin. Tapos binigyan pa rin kami ng property ng Panginoon na 12 hectares. So yun, i-develop pa rin namin into a farm. Kung iisipin po talaga namin mag-asawa, hindi po talaga namin kakayanin sa sarili namin to have all of these properties na binless sa amin ng Panginoon. Kaya lang, when you give your treasure to God, it will yield talaga 30, 60, and 100-fold. In Psalms 18, sabi niya na He will train your hands for battle, and He will give you strength, and He will let you scale a wall, and He will stoop down to make you great. I really encourage every member of COP to join the Remain Project. Kasi I really want na lahat, all of us will taste and see that the Lord is good.
God did it for us, He will do it for you.